Imagine a world beneath the waves, a vibrant and bustling metropolis teeming with life, where colors dance in the sunlight, filtering through the water, and extraordinary creatures weave in and out of coral structures that have taken thousands of years to form. This is the mesmerizing realm of coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea. Despite covering less than 1% of the ocean floor, these underwater wonders support about 25% of all marine life. But what exactly are coral reefs? At their core, corals are living organisms known as polyps, tiny, soft-bodied creatures that are closely related to jellyfish and sea anemones. These remarkable polyps secrete calcium carbonate, creating hard, protective limestone skeletons that form the intricate architecture of the reef. Over millennia, these tiny architects work together, building massive structures that can even be seen from space, a testament to their collective effort. Now, let's delve into why coral reefs are so crucial to our planet. Firstly, they are biodiversity hotspots. They provide habitat and shelter for an astonishing variety of marine species, ranging from brightly colored fish to delicate crustaceans, from mollusks to majestic sea turtles. This biodiversity is not merely fascinating. It is essential for the health of the entire ocean ecosystem. Each species plays a unique role in maintaining balance, contributing to vital processes like nutrient cycling and carbon fixing. The loss of even one species can disrupt these processes, leading to cascading effects throughout the ecosystem. Coral reefs also have a profound impact on human societies. Over 500 million people around the globe depend on reefs for their livelihoods, food, and income. The fisheries associated with coral reefs generate about $6 billion annually, providing a critical source of protein for many coastal communities. Imagine the fishermen casting their nets, their families relying on the bounty of the sea, all tied to the health of these reefs. The connection between coral reefs and human well-being is undeniable. Another vital role of coral reefs is their function as natural barriers. They act as protective shields for coastlines against the damaging effects of wave action, storms, and erosion. By absorbing up to 97% of wave energy, they safeguard coastal properties and prevent loss of life during extreme weather events. This natural defense system is estimated to save billions of dollars in potential damages each year, a financial benefit that underscores their importance. Tourism is another significant aspect of coral reefs. Destinations like the Great Barrier Reef in Australia and the Caribbean islands attract millions of visitors each year. Activities such as snorkeling, scuba diving, and fishing provide recreational opportunities and create jobs, supporting local economies. Coral reef tourism is valued at around $36 billion globally, a staggering figure that highlights the economic importance of these ecosystems. The vibrant underwater landscapes draw people from all walks of life, fostering a sense of wonder and appreciation for the natural world. But the story of coral reefs is not just one of beauty and economic value. It is also a tale of medical marvels. Many marine organisms found in reefs produce compounds with potential pharmaceutical applications. Researchers have derived medications from reef species to treat various ailments, including cancer, HIV, and cardiovascular diseases. The untapped potential for new medicines makes the preservation of these ecosystems even more critical, as each coral and creature may hold the key to breakthroughs that could save lives. Despite their significance, coral reefs are facing unprecedented threats. Climate change stands as the most significant challenge. Rising sea temperatures lead to a phenomenon known as coral bleaching, where corals expel the symbiotic algae living in their tissues. These algae, called zooxanthellae, provide corals with food through photosynthesis and impart their vibrant colors. Without them, corals turn white, and if stressful conditions persist, they may perish. The stark contrast between a vibrant reef and a bleached one serves as a haunting reminder of the fragility of these ecosystems. Ocean acidification, a direct result of increased carbon dioxide absorption, further exacerbates the situation. It reduces the water's pH levels, making it increasingly difficult for corals to produce their calcium carbonate skeletons. This weakening of the reef structure hinders growth and resilience, leaving these underwater cities vulnerable to collapse. Pollution is another insidious threat. Agricultural runoff, sewage, and plastic waste introduce toxins and excess nutrients into the ocean, promoting algal blooms that can suffocate corals. Overfishing disrupts the delicate ecological balance, removing key species that help control algae and pests harmful to reefs. Destructive fishing practices, like blast fishing and cyanide fishing, inflict direct physical damage, leaving scars on the reef that may take decades to heal. Coastal development also leads to habitat destruction and increased sedimentation, blocking the sunlight essential for the photosynthetic algae that live in corals. The very act of anchoring boats and engaging in tourism-related activities can physically damage these delicate structures, compounding the threats they face. The decline of coral reefs creates a ripple effect that extends far beyond the ocean. It threatens global ecosystems and human well-being. The loss of reefs means diminished fish populations, jeopardizing food security for millions. Coastal communities become more vulnerable to storms, and economies reliant on tourism and fisheries suffer devastating losses. So, what can be done to protect these invaluable ecosystems? Efforts are underway worldwide to conserve and restore coral reefs. Establishing marine protected areas, MPAs, helps regulate activities that harm reefs, allowing ecosystems to recover. Sustainable fishing practices ensure that marine populations remain balanced and healthy. Coral farming and reef restoration projects involve growing corals in nurseries and transplanting them to damaged areas, accelerating recovery and increasing resilience against future stressors. Combating climate change is paramount. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions by transitioning to renewable energy sources and promoting energy efficiency can help mitigate rising sea temperatures and ocean acidification. Individual actions also play a crucial role. Reducing plastic use, supporting sustainable seafood choices, and advocating for environmental policies contribute to the larger effort. Even responsible tourism, like refraining from touching corals while diving and using reef-safe sunscreen, can make a difference. In essence, coral reefs are the lifeblood of our oceans, a source of immense biodiversity, natural protection, economic value, and scientific discovery. Their survival is intertwined with our own well-being. Protecting coral reefs isn't just about preserving beauty beneath the waves, it's about sustaining the health of our planet. Each one of us has a role to play in ensuring these underwater wonders endure for generations to come. Together, we can make a difference, safeguarding the vibrant world beneath the waves for future explorers to marvel at and cherish.